2026 Continental GT EV is the Grand Tourer, electrified, blending tradition with cutting-edge tech. A 110 kWh battery gives 350 miles of range, perfect for crossing continents in style. Dual motors and all-wheel drive deliver a 0-60 time of 3.4 seconds. Effortless, silent power with that signature Bentley surge. Inside, Bentley introduces bio-leather, a sustainable material grown from mycelium, alongside classic hand-stitched options. The rotating display remains, letting you switch between touchscreen analog dials or pure wood veneer. The new dynamic drive system uses GPS to anticipate corners and road changes, adjusting suspension and power for the perfect ride. The design evolves, sculpted grille, crystal effect LEDs, and unmistakable Bentley lines. The Continental GT EV is for those who value craftsmanship, comfort, and a sense of occasion, now amplified by electrification. Bentley proves you don't have to sacrifice soul for sustainability. NIO's ET7 is the tech disruptor, aiming straight at the German giants with bold innovation. Its 150 kWh semi-solid-state battery claims a staggering 560-mile range, eliminating range anxiety for good. Level 4 autonomy, enabled by advanced LiDAR, means true hands-off, eyes-off, driving in designated areas. The minimalist interior centers on a 23-inch OLED sky screen and Nomi, a quirky AI assistant with real personality. Personalized audio zones let each passenger enjoy their own soundscape, thanks to headrest speakers. NIO's battery-as-a-service model lets you swap batteries in 3 minutes at power swap stations, no more waiting to charge. The ET7 isn't about heritage, it's about future-facing features, tech, and convenience. For the early adopter who wants the latest in autonomy, range, and ownership flexibility,